Welcome to Blue Finance. Today we will teach you how to create your own server on Midjourney. This artificial intelligence server allows you to generate unique images from simple prompts. If you're living under a rock and still don't know how it works, we recommend watching the video in the description to catch up and stay up to date. When we generate an image on Midjourney, there are thousands of other people using the server, and our image can get lost among the thousands of messages from other users. This can be super annoying, and if we ever want to share an image of ourselves to create an artificial intelligence artwork, we put our personal information at risk by sharing it with others. Now let's move on to the solution to this problem, creating our own server where only we have access to our information and can avoid exposing ourselves. First, we need to have Discord and Midjourney installed beforehand. Once we log into Midjourney and accept the terms and conditions, we can move on to step 2. Next, we need to go to the Add a Server section, then create your own and click on For Me and My Friends. Now we can add a photo to our new server, as well as a name we like, and click Create. We have completed the first 2 steps. The third step is to connect our server with the Midjourney bot, which is very easy. All we have to do is go back to the Midjourney button, enter one of the newbie rooms, and locate the bot on the right. We will select it and click Add to Server, then select the server we just created and accept the terms and conditions again. After this process, we can start using our private server, as shown here. And that's it.
Wow.
If you have any questions or would like to know about a specific topic, do not hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching Blue Finance, and we'll see you in the next video.